Hey, what's up? Now, having a graveyard is a real fun little Halloween decoration, but the slightest bit of weather, it knocks these things into the neighbor's yard and knocks them all over the place. I'm going to show you a quick fix for that. Let's do it. Now, tombstones are easy to make, but they're just as easy to buy too. But the problem with the ones that you buy is they come with these little pegs. And the first time a little windstorm hits, bam, you get these little bent pegs. So we're going to get rid of these things entirely. So the first thing, we're going to want maybe half or a little more of the grave to see how far it is. This in particular one is 20 inches. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a PVC pipe and I'm going to cut it 20 inches. So we've made our mark. Any little handsaw will do. PVC is not that tough to cut. You're going to want to center the pipe as best you can there. I have Gorilla Glue. Kids, do not put this in your hair. Silicone, either one or both work just fine. Now you don't want it hanging over the bottom, so put it up just a little bit. We're just going to fill in the little cracks here. Sure this thing is pretty centered. I put my tape. All right. Good, actually. Okay. I'm also going to stick silicone along these edges to really get this thing just stuck on here, and then you're going to let it dry overnight. Now this tombstone is actually a little bit warped, so you can see right under it, and we need to get that filled in so that this holds on. So we're going to the trusty foam. Now once the silicone or glue or all the above dries, take a rebar, pound it into the ground, slide the tombstone right over top, and we are now weatherproof. Wind, rain, doesn't matter. They are not going anywhere. Be sure to check out some of my other videos for some fun, easy home Halloween DIYs. Till then, keep it spooky, my crazy friends.